Hello, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll explain how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails. First, go into your Gmail app, click on the three lines on your top left, scroll down a little bit and on the bottom, click on Settings. From here, first choose the Gmail account you want to fix. Then scroll down and make sure Sync Gmail is checked. Now let's close that out real quick and go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and look for apps. And then click apps again. You can go through the list, but you can go ahead and search Gmail. From here, click storage. Then clear data and clear cache. Once that's done, go back and then go in permissions. Make sure everything on the list are allowed. After this, restart your phone and hopefully you'll now start receiving your emails through Gmail. That's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.